Alexa, turn off. Oh. Is red milk even a thing? Like, who has red milk? Julie does. Hey, Julie. Love me some sugar. That's how we get diabetes. Oh my god. Hi, welcome back. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications. Day 6,492 on lockdown. Still bored, still got nothing to do apart from walk about it. And I have been staying up till 2 AM for a little photo shoot. This is how this turns out. So I can't actually play the music because of copyright, so you're just gonna have to me sing. So this is the last time to get it right. This is the last chance to make it all night. We gotta show what it's all about. Your way to get. Okay, let's go. James Edwards 88. Every day at 2 AM. So the thing I'm gonna be talking about today is my aviation story, and it's an alright one. Because when I was growing up, I wanted to be a firefighter, and I was determined I was going to be a firefighter. I think next year, 2021, I'm going to go do a year either in Spain or America. I'll get more into that. So my aviation story, where it began, 2015 or 14, Ryanair flight. Liverpool to Reyes in Spain, and the flight was literally empty, October time, and the cabin crew were letting me do the safety demonstration with them. I was something like yay hi, probably look gay still. I'm not, just to point that out, not that it matters. At the end of the flight they were like, oh, come and look at the flight deck, and then I sat down, and then I was like seeing loads of buttons, and I was like, whoa, that's cool. I'm one of them people, if I get something in my head, you're going to hear about it until I get it. So as a child, I was like, Mom! I want to blame. So, in December of 2014, it's the year I lost my dad. And my dad bought me for Christmas a Ravener flight simulator experience. Oh, so my camera decided to die halfway through. So basically, I said that I went to Ravener Flight Simulator, got 25% off my first flight lesson, done that, and then moved to Mersey Flight to continue my flying lessons. Anyway, continue. So I started working there Saturday and Sunday while studying for GCSE exams. Don't ask me how they went, please don't. And I enjoyed it. And now that's made me want to go to Swissport next year. And talk about Swissport, had an interview with them. Anyway, but I don't know, because I liked being outside and just moving the aircraft around and refueling them, and then I don't know, I just found it fun. And I'm one of them people, you can satisfy me with a flower. Literally, Christmas presents, guys. Just have to get me a Haribo, just a Haribo. And then I started flying with Ravener, and I still am flying with Ravener. I was meant to do my QXC during this lockdown, but Boris being Boris, putting us all on ground, and I haven't got around to doing it. Done all my exams. That's pretty much how I got into aviation. It was through Ravener's thing and my dad. And then I love travelling, so since September of 2019 I've been travelling literally on my own. I went Greece on my own, I went Belfast, I went Dublin, I went Krakow, I went Barcelona. Been loads of places since then. And I'm lucky, and now Corona's stopping me, but I do have Greece again booked in July for a week. I only went for 3 days in September just to trial it, because I feel confident with Greece. I know where everything is, where I go. Well, one of the things I want to do as I progress, around November time I want to do my night rating, or October. And then this is where I'm in a debate, because when I was young I used to love music and entertainment, and I still do. And I love making people smile. If you asked anyone where I work at the airport what I'm like as a character, I'm bubbly, I'm jumping around. You never hear me say no to anyone. Literally, it could be like, can I have £1,000? I am like, sure, give me 5 minutes. Something like that will happen probably. I don't know. But yeah, that is me, that's my character. So, when I was young I used to love this. I used to go holiday in Salou, and RJP Entertainment were like the entertainers, and they were amazing and I loved them. And then that made me wanted to join them.
when I'm 18 to do a bit of holiday repping in Spain for like a summer season. Might do it, might not decided. And then my other thing was apply for the Disney program. That sounds so gay to say, but I don't care. I like entertainment, like that sort of music and that sort of stuff. And even if it was a food and beverage course in Disney, won't care, I'm still there. Or anything, do you know what I mean? And do a year there in America, in Florida, next year. I don't know, Jeff. It's something I need to think. And then while I'm out there, do my IRR. It's one of them. Got to decide. But I don't know whether to do a Camp America. But then at the same time, I want to join Swissport next year because I did have an interview with Swissport, and they said in November time, come back to us. You won't need an interview, and if there's any jobs, we'll give you one. That's what they say. I'm young age and I have so many options. And that's what I like. I have put so much sugar in my toast. So yeah, that's my video. Make sure you check me out on Instagram at UKAviator. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'm absolutely bored, so give me things to do because I'm bored of being bored. Subscribe and I will see you guys probably next week. Bye.